Hello and welcome to the course, Kick-Ass Credit Repair Course, fully loaded 150 plus letters. Step-by-step course, with 150 plus dispute letter templates, dispute flowchart, DIY credit repair workbook, ebooks and more. Meet the instructor, Dana Robinson. She is a certified credit score and credit repair specialist. She is also the owner of Credit Deputies, an online credit repair information hub for consumers. With this course, you'll have all of your problems solved. If you cannot rectify your credit, are stressed about debt, and want to have the exact steps to stabilize your credit, this course will help you do so. In this course, you will learn the need for credit repair, the information on your credit report, the process of credit repair, learn about 3 reports, how to obtain your reports, how to review the reports, learn about the dispute process, how to write dispute letters to bureaus, how to send validation letters to collectors, and much more. This course also includes the ultimate DIY kit with 150 plus letters, DIY workbook, dispute process flowchart, ebooks, and much more. So, what are you waiting for? Enroll now, and see you in the class.